Oh no! No! Whoa! Whee! Whee! Uh-oh, don't go in the water! Don't go in the water! God damn it. That's gonna cost a pretty... What happened? What the f... I'm on a motorcycle. How... What the f... Get out of the water! I can't swim! See ya! Don't drown! R.I.P. car, it's not lagging, just really pixeled. Let me see, hello? I remember a timeout for 800 seconds. It wasn't 800 seconds, and you banned her. She was banned from the channel, and it said banned by Enrio. Or Andres. Do what? Yeah, you got a minute to get inside the boat. I'll try to go back to you. How'd you get the motorcycle? I have no fucking idea. PlayStation lag. That was the biggest glitch I've ever seen. How do we have a wanted level? How do we have a wanted level?
You know what? I might have just pulled this off. Maybe I am a genius after all.
That was the weirdest thing ever. I don't know how I ended up on a motorcycle. That is so strange. Like, my car just disappeared when I went in the water. Hacker! Tampa blew it. Yeah, I figured, dude. Tampa blows it all the time. Yay! Yay! Sorry I didn't give you guys more of a cut. Both of these nuts? Oh! You like Phil? You like filling these nuts? Oh!
Oh, my friends!
You like dragon?
Well,
You like dragons?
you did it. Ooh, I know, I didn't do
You like me
that
dragging
much, but
these nuts on your face?
You,
Oh!
you! You know, I thought you were just a bunch of creepy and quiet weirdos. Turns out you're a bunch of creepy, quiet weirdos with talent.
It's because you got the
rob
dinghy.
and you steal and destroy like
24-point lead at half. Vapo, I'm with you.
I love it. Here,
92
let me,
day.
wire you your money.
Hell yeah. I actually, Fal,
You know,
I kind of donated to you because
I will
Jazzy
never
donated.
forget the good
Yeah,
times.
but then I gave the $5 right back to
Relax,
Jazzy.
we've had it in my family. The
Just because I
picnic,
wanted to have a
the
chance with her. I'm
picnic,
like, I want her to
and
notice
hike
me.
in the
Maybe
woods,
maybe she'll want to go out with me if I
selfies,
subscribe to her
and-
channel.
Oh, and the time we went rollerblading and we watched the sun.
But really, in all
set and we
reality, I
stayed
used the
up
$5
all
so I
night
could see these
talking
sexy
and
faces in my
sharing our
channel.
Innermost fears and then what? What's that? That wasn't you? Even the skinny dipping and the
Shut up, Lester!
oh. What are you saying?
Yeah, seriously, just give us the damn money.
Drugs. Oh man, the drugs. I am a heavily medicated man. I'm not well at all. I'm a little embarrassed.
Still, that was probably the most
okay,
epic
the
jump
money.
on the way
Here.
down. Like, I don't think I've ever made it down
And
so fast in my
here.
life.
And here and
116 days?
here.
Damn,
Okay,
son!
you better take off.
Axe is
and,
getting all
take
kinds of
care,
coins.
Okay. Bye bye.
He's gonna go look at his porn. Yep. He's like, oh, I gotta look up little penises. Yeah, bro, you were just floating in the water like, I can't swim. Help. Then GTA gave me a motorcycle, like, here you go, boss. Shut up, man. Lester the creepy molester. Alright, I'm gonna have to reset the video.